Before. After.
I'm Dakota. I got off of work at a decent time, so I'm gonna get some headlights installed on this. I got my old work light I threw on real quick last year. Brother's truck makes a good workbench for the time being. All right, bolts, bracket. Look at that. You, the guy she told you not to worry about. I do like it. Sweet. Let's go drill a hole. All right, note to self. Amazon step bits, the cheapest ones you can buy, not very good, trash, so we're gonna go old school. Come on. There you go. See what it looks like. Dim some big old lights right there. So for wiring, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that ground wire, bolt it on with the bracket, let it ground that way. And the power wire, I'm gonna leave the lights on their own switch. But I did this cool thing a while back where I got a bunch of relays wired down here. They don't run into anything. They already run to switches on the dash. So all I gotta do is run a wire to one of those studs, whichever switch I wanna run, and then put a fuse in the fuse panel for it, and those relays will run it. Not sure what I need, but I got all my wiring stuff. Cutters, crimpers, strippers, a whole bunch of different connectors, heat shrink butt connectors. I think 14 gauge wires should suffice. They are LEDs, so. I only have one, the right size. The other one, not quite big enough to go over. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm gonna crimp one side of it, like that. There you go. Let's get the other side done. Same darn thing. That's a good crimp. Looks good. All right, let's get the power wires hooked up. Oop, yep. Get. Beautiful. Give her a good tug. If it won't survive the tug test, you might as well redo it. Slide this on over. Beautiful. Got the power wire from the other light and the power wire to this light together. We'll get that crimped. Give it a nice tug test. Beautiful. They are working. They are super bright. I can't wait till night to see how they do. All right, I got it wired to that one right there. Basically, these 4 switches are wired where the key has to be on. Those 3 are not. This is the one that's on the headlights. These still don't have anything they're running. But if I flip the switch, they go off. If I hit the key, they go off too. You can kind of see it reflecting off that truck.
Before. After.
Short, simple, after work, just banging things out. I'm Dakota. They call me Slow Motion. Thanks for watching.